Yo, so how about this? Right, we're eating tonight. I made like some mushrooms with potatoes and onion, right? And then I said, you know what? Why don't we add some bread, right? So, oh, sausages are in here too. Long story short, I just broke up with this motherfucker, and like, I'm upset about it. Okay, like, because in reality, I was nothing but nice to him, and he ended up being an asshole. Like, low key, for real, like, the dick was better than the personality or the person behind it. Anyways, sad story, but we're moving on to bigger and better things like this sandwich, yo. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. And let me tell you, once I put on my microphone on, like, you look, like, comprehend the full. This food is so good. Anyways, let me shut the fuck up and just eat. Alright, sorry. And here come my cats. No. Buddy, you can't have any. You're on a diet, bro. Buddy. Huh. But, sad story. We're closed now, whatever the fuck this is, but it might be natural ice. We don't know. So, excuse me, I'm a true believer in, right, I think that it's kind of like an alcoholic thing. So, I believe if the one alcohol count is lower than the other, it's kind of like having a shot with the juice. But I know that actually makes no sense to normal people, but to me, it's kind of like alcoholic math. Okay, like you know how to do like girl math. We're on to a deeper level. We have entered a different terrain. Okay, like we don't know where it's gonna go, but we will see. Anyways, we should drink for love, peace, and serenity. Know what I mean? Oh my god. Bro, what is going on with like Ash Trevino? Like, hold on, wait a minute. We're gonna, almost like, right, but Vogue was not here yet, okay? They have not discovered the star just yet. Anyways, something's gonna happen with that. Like, my friend Cher, she was like, let me cut your hair. And I was like, sure, like, why not? Bitch, it's been 8 months and my hair is still not growing properly. So, anyways, bro, I fucked these potatoes up. Like, let me tell you, I cooked the fuck out of them. And then he gonna act like, bro, he acted like a whole fucking girl, bro. Like, that's the whole issue. Like, if you acted like a dude, like, if you were like, excuse me, so sorry. Well, let's say you were a dude, right? And you fucked up. And you got an Uber for your girl. And you cooked her dinner. And you put on whatever the fuck she wanted to watch. And then you still got ate the fuck out like you were a piece of shit. Like, and I was like, boy, like you can find your way home. Like, but honestly, I'm not that type of person. Like, I am a nice person, like to a point, but like at some point, like now you're just using me. Now you're just fucking straight up using me. And that ain't cool with me. Anyways, I apologize. This might have not been the mukbang y'all was looking for, but that's what we're working with. So, shit. It is what it is. You just gotta get a little bit of bread and then you just kind of like put that shit together. And the American bread, you can just like press it together and it's like a vacuum hole seal. I don't even know what the fuck it is. But you get like 2 nice bites out of it. You know what? I'm a good cook. Like, you know what? Like, fuck him. Like, nigga. It all comes down to just like the dickage. Yeah, sure, he had like a tall lean cuisine, but I can find a different one. This one was not profitable to me. It only like brought me minuses. And I can accept that. I can accept that, like, I was a dumbass bitch in this position. That's fine. I'm just gonna drink this through. And, things are gonna happen. So, anyways, I love the fuck out of the shirt. Now, you know I ain't editing shit. So, we're just gonna work with the raw version of Gina until she finds an editor or whatever. But we should we should drink for peace, love, and serenity for this person that has just exited out of my life. Like, honestly, I wish him the best. As they say, I wish him well in hell. But for this moment, I wish him well. So interesting. Excuse me. How can someone bother my existence so much to where I wasted what are we on? I don't even know how many minutes we on, but like low key, like he must have bothered me. Right, I'm not doing that. Honestly, I'm the type of bitch. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. I deserve a seafood boil. Okay. I deserve like beautiful beer next to me. And what I consider beautiful would be like fucking malt liquor, like a Hurricane or a Colt 45, like, and but like for real, like why do I even have to go through this? And like, anyways, he irked the fuck out of me. Yeah, I'm still talking about this bitch ass nigga for no reason. Like, he's fucking up my mukbang. Bro, but since I ain't cutting shit, as I told y'all previously, I ain't cutting shit. We're just gonna keep piling on and seeing where this fucking mukbang will take us, motherfuckers. We don't know where we're gonna end up at. But I will get a microphone. I promise you, because I do make some magical things, you know? Anyways. Fuck him. And I'm gonna move on. Right after I finish this food, I'm gonna smoke the J. And I'm gonna mind my own business from now on. Maybe I need to be single for a little bit. Anyways, welcome to the family. Let's see how much dysfunction, I can bring to this. You know what? Follow me for later episodes, because honestly, at this point, this is not even funny. This is a fucking reality show. I didn't even sign up for this shit. I didn't.